Let's talk about two things concerning our Energy Shield radiant barrier. One, we have a lifetime warranty, and this lifetime warranty is transferable, it's willable, weather, water, fire, aging. Over the 30,000 homes we've done in the past 3.5 decades, I think we've only had to warranty 6 or 7 or 8 of them, and it was because of fires or because of a hurricane or tornado. And in the warranty, it's labor and material. So we do that just to stand behind our work. So it's a real warranty. We actually have testimonials of people who talk about us warranty. Couldn't even believe it, said the insurance is going to pay for this. I said, well, the warranty says we're going to do it, and we don't even get any payment for it. It's just part of our program. But it's only 1 in 1,000 homes that anything, not even that really, 1 in 4,000 or 5,000 homes that need that. Also, what we have is a certificate of verification. There's a lot of radiant barriers out there. Some you can tear with your fingers, some are one-sided, some are not perforated. We replace a lot. So this certificate of verification shows the ASTM E8411 and E2599 mounting method. This is all about how they test it, the fire safety and all that. It's got a Class A, Class 1 fire rating on it. So it's certified that every job that we do has the same type of certification. It's kind of a big deal in the industry. Doesn't mean a thing to most people because they don't know what they're looking for, they don't know what it is, but it's a big deal in the industry to have a quality product with the right verification, with the right warranty and guarantee. And that's why we've been in business for 34 years. If you'd like any information on your home, give us a call. Subscribe to our channel if you already haven't, and thanks for watching.